Sweetheart, is it time to get up?
Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
Did you remember to brush your teeth?
Sure thing, Mom. I'm just wrapping things up.
Are you excited for school?
I'm almost ready, I just need to find my shoes.
Did you remember your lunchbox?
Okay, Mom.
Have you completed your homework?
I'm nearly finished, just one last question.
Did you remember to pack your school bag?
I got it all packed up this morning.
Are you feeling hungry?
How about just a little something, like a snack?
What do you feel like having for breakfast?
I'd love a bowl of cereal with some milk.
Is your uniform all set?
Absolutely, everything is ready to go.
Did you remember to take your vitamins?
Yep, I already took them.
Have you given the fish their food?
Sure, I shared some food with them.
Are you all set for your exam?
Absolutely, I went over my notes.
Do you need a hand with your tie?
No, I can handle it on my own.
Did you bring your water bottle?
Sure, I've got it in my bag.
Did you clean up your room?
I cleaned up a little.
Did you drink all your milk?
Yep, I wrapped it up while having breakfast.
Are you looking forward to school today?
Absolutely, I can't wait for it.
Is your homework in your bag?
Absolutely, it's all included.
Did you say farewell to your dad?
Absolutely, I gave him a big hug.
Are your shoes nice and clean?
Yep, they're all nice and clean.
Did you remember to wear your jacket?
Yep, I put it on.
Are you packing your workout clothes?
Yep, I packed them.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a good sleep.
Did you remember to turn off your alarm?
Yep, I switched it off.
Did you make sure to zip up your backpack?
Yep, it's all zipped up.
Are you doing all right?
Absolutely, I feel great.
Did you remember to say hello to the bus driver?
Yes, I said good morning.
Did you have a good time at lunch?
Absolutely, it was so tasty.
Did you discover something new today?
Absolutely, I discovered something new.
Did you enjoy your time at school?
Absolutely, it was a wonderful day.
Did you jot down any notes in class?
Absolutely, I jotted down the main points.
Did you remember to bring all your books home?
Yep, I packed everything up.
Did you pack a snack for school?
Sure, I brought along some fruit.
Are you thinking about playing after school?
Absolutely, I'm going to have fun playing with my friends.
Did you remember to put on your hat?
Yep, I put it on.
Did you remember to lock the house?
Yep, I locked it.
Did you tidy up your toys?
Sure, I put them away.
Are you feeling a bit worn out?
A tiny bit.
What did you dream?
I dreamt of flying high.
Guess what's for breakfast?
Is it yummy pancakes?
How was school?
School was really fun.
Ready for the day?
Yes, I'm totally ready.
What's first today?
I want to paint today.
Did you see the sky?
Yes, it's so bright and blue.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm really happy.
What story tonight?
Let's read about brave dragons.
Did you learn something new?
I learned about outer space.
What made you happy today?
Playing with my best friends.
Why did you laugh?
A really funny joke.
What's your secret plan?
It's a special surprise.
What did you draw?
I drew a huge castle.
Why are you excited?
I love this fun day.
What did you see outside?
I saw a cute bird.
Did you enjoy your snack?
Yes, it was really tasty.
Why did you choose that?
I really liked the color.
What did you build today?
I built a tall tower.
Did you solve the puzzle?
Yes, I finally solved it.
What's your favorite game?
I love playing hide and seek.
Why did you pick this book?
I like the cool cover.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I'm finally done.
What made you proud today?
I helped my best friend.
Why are you in a hurry?
I'm super excited.
Why are you in a hurry?
I want a big sandwich.
Why did you pick this outfit?
It's my favorite color ever.
What did you learn at school?
We learned about wild animals.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, let's go outside.
What did you find?
I found a really cool rock.
Did you see something cool?
Yes, I saw a butterfly.
What's your next plan?
I want to draw something.
Why did you make that face?
It really surprised me.
Did you hear that sound?
Yes, it was really loud.
What did you enjoy most today?
Playing at fun recess.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, please, I'm hungry.
What's your favorite subject?
I love doing art.
Why did you change your mind?
I like this one more.
Did you finish your project?
Yes, it's all finished.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is blue.
Why are you tired?
I played a lot today.
What did you play at recess?
We played fun tag.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I brought it.
What do you want to do next?
I want to read now.
Why did you hide?
I was playing hide and seek.
What did you say to your friend?
I told them a funny joke.
Do you want to help?
Yes, I'll definitely help.
What made you smile?
You made me really smile.
Did you enjoy your meal?
It was so delicious.
Why are you sleepy?
I didn't sleep very well.
What did you write?
I wrote a cool story.
What's your plan for the day?
I want to go to the park.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, everything's all ready.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite is my robot.
Why did you stop playing?
I got really tired.
What did you see in the park?
I saw a cute squirrel.
Did you bring your jacket?
Yes, I brought it.
Why did you choose that game?
It looked really fun.
What's your favorite animal?
I love friendly dogs.
Did you do your chores?
Yes, I did them.
What did you think of the movie?
It was super awesome.
Why are you so happy?
I'm just really happy today.
What did you draw today?
I drew a big house.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, let's play together.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal for breakfast.
Do you feel well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Why did you wake up so early?
I woke up because I had a dream.
Do you need help with that?
No, I don't need help right now.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because it was funny.
Do you have your backpack?
Yes, I have my backpack.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Why didn't you finish your meal?
I wasn't very hungry.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I want to play outside.
What time is your class today?
My class is at 9 a.m.
Why are you feeling sad?
I'm feeling sad because I miss my friend.